हेलो एवरीवन, हम लोग क्लास 9th में पोलिनोमियल की स्टडी कर रहे हैं। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो वी लर्न अबाउट द फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ पोलिनोमियल्स। इन दिस वीडियो also we'll continue the factorization of polynomials. Let's come to our exercise 2.4 of NCERT. See, the question is factorize. First is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. From the first two term, from x cube and x square is common. From x power 3, x power 2 is common, so x is left. From 2x square is common, 2 is left. Now leave some place for the sign and put the next bracket. There is minus sign in the first bracket, there will be minus sign in the second bracket also. Now plus minus इन दोनों साइन को देखना है, अगर ये डिफरेंट है प्लस एंड माइनस, देयर विल पुट माइनस साइन बिटवीन. Now from x and 2 nothing is common, means 1 is common. When we take 1 common, then inside there is x and 2, that is x minus 2. X minus 2 is common from both. From the first term x square and from the second minus 1 is left. That is x minus 2, and this can be written as x square minus 1 square. X minus 2 as it is, but x square minus 1 square, by using the formula a square minus b square will become a plus b, a minus b. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Next is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. इसको आप देखोगे तो आप इन दोनों टर्म से अगर कुछ कॉमन लोगे, x स्क्वायर इज कॉमन. जब आप x स्क्वायर कॉमन लोगे यहां से, तो यहां से x, यहां से माइनस 3, यहां से आप देखो कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, ओनली माइनस 1 इज कॉमन, तो ये क्या आ रहा है 9x प्लस 5. आप देखोगे इन दोनों में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, ये दोनों ब्रैकेट्स अलग अलग हैं. ये दोनों ब्रैकेट्स अलग अलग है, इट मींस इस मेथड से ये फैक्टराइज नहीं हो सकता है. तब इसके लिए आपके पास दूसरा मेथड है और उसमें हम फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज करके फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. तो फॉर दैट वी सपोज दैट द पॉलिनोमियल इज px, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. इसका लास्ट कांस्टेंट हम देखे 5 है, और 5 के आपको फैक्टर्स देखने हैं. 5 के फैक्टर्स हुए 1 एंड 5. 1 एंड 5 ये 5 के फैक्टर्स हैं. 1 को प्लस माइनस 1 के साथ प्लस माइनस के साथ लेना है, 5 को भी प्लस माइनस के साथ लेना है. Now we have 4 numbers, 4 integers, plus 1, minus 1, plus 5, minus 5. हम 1 by 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 5, minus 5 को पुट करेंगे इस पॉलिनोमियल में और देखेंगे कि कौन सा इस पॉलिनोमियल का 0 है, और उसी के अकॉर्डिंग फैक्टर डिसाइड होगा. सपोज वी पुट x equals 1 and we find p1. 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square, 9 into 1 minus 5. 1 cube is 1, 1 square 9 minus 5. 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. 5 9 14, 3 17. P1 is minus 16. Because P1 is not equal to 0, because P1 is not equal to 0, therefore x minus 1 is not a factor of. Now next is -1. We find p -1 and put -1 in place of x in the polynomial. X cube minus 3x square. X cube means cube of -1 minus 3x square, minus 3 into -1 square, minus 9x, minus 9 into -1 and minus 5. Minus 1 cube is -1, minus 1 square is 1, plus 9 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 plus 9, minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 is minus 9, plus 9 is 0. P minus 1 equals 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of px, and this is by factor theorem. So we have one factor x plus 1. Now by x plus 1 we divide the given polynomial, that is x cube minus 2x square minus x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. इसको डिवाइड करना है. तो x cube upon x, x cube upon x, this gives you x square as the first quotient. X square into x is x cube, x square into plus 1 x square. Change the sign. X cube minus x cube cancelled, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, bring down minus 9x and bring down minus 5. Now for next quotient, minus 4x square upon x, it is minus 4x, minus 4x into x, minus 4x square, minus 4x into plus 1 is minus 4x. Again subtract the two, that is change the sign. Minus 9 plus 4 minus 5x minus 5. Now minus 5x divided by x, it gives you minus 5. So put minus 5 in the quotient. Minus 5 into x is minus 5x, minus 5 into plus 1 both are cancelled, remainder is 0. One factor is x plus 1, and the other two factors will be according to x square minus 4x minus 5. So we factorize x square minus 4x minus 5, and this can be factorized by splitting the middle term. Last number is 5. ऐसे दो नंबर जिनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 5 और माइनस करके 4 है, they are 5 and 1, because 5 into 1 is 5 and 5 minus 1 is 4. तो x स्क्वायर 4x को लिख सकते हैं 5x माइनस x माइनस 5, ब्रैकेट ब्रेक करें, माइनस 5x माइनस माइनस प्लस x माइनस 5, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5x से x कॉमन है, एक्स स्क्वायर से x कॉमन करोगे x बचा, 5x से x कॉमन करोगे 5. Then leave some place for the sign. There is minus sign in the first bracket, put the minus sign in the second bracket also, minus and minus plus, from x and 5 nothing is common, it means 1 is common. Inside there is x and 5. From both x minus 5 is common. From the first term x, and from the next x plus 1 is left. So first factor, one factor of the given polynomial is x plus 1, and two more factors of it are x minus 5 and x plus 1. So combined factors are factors of the given polynomial are, one is x plus 1, that was the first factor, and two more x minus 5 and x plus 1. Now we have third part of question number 5. We have to factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. And this also can be factorized by using factor theorem. We suppose the given polynomial as px. See the factors of 20. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, and you can put a plus minus sign with all. And now we have to try these numbers one by one to get the value of px at that values. Then see which value gives the value of px as 0. According to that, you can find the factor of the given polynomial. See, these all the terms are with positive sign. If you put a positive value for x, then it will never be 0. For that, we must try any negative value. In that, first we try the value minus 1. We put minus 1 in place of x. X cube is minus 1 cube. X square minus 1 square. 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Plus minus, minus 32 plus 20. 13 ones are 13. Put negative numbers together and positive numbers together. Minus 1 and minus 32 is minus 33. Plus 13 and plus 20 is plus 33. 33 minus 33 is 0. P minus 1 is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of px. This is by factor theorem. Now by this factor we divide the given polynomial. So we divide x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 by x plus 1. First term x cube upon x, that is first term of the dividend upon first term of the divisor, will give you the first quotient, that is x square into x square into plus 1. Subtract the two, x cube and minus x cube cancelled. Plus 13 minus 1 is plus 12. plus 32x plus 20 plus 12 x square upon x is plus 12x plus 12x into x is plus 12x square plus 12x into plus 1 is plus 12x. Plus will become minus, this plus will become minus. 12x square minus 12x square cancelled. Plus 32 minus 12 is plus 20x. Bring down this plus 20. Now plus 20x upon x is plus 20. So next is plus 20 plus 20 into x plus 20x plus 20 into 1 plus 20. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus 20x minus 20x cancelled. Plus 20 minus 20 cancelled. Now we have the remainder 0. One factor is x plus 1. Two more factors we can find by using this quotient, and we can factorize it. That is x square plus 12x plus 20. This can be factorized by splitting the middle term. Think of two numbers such that the product is 20 and by addition we should get 12. Such two numbers are 10 and 2. 10 to is 20 and 10 plus 2 12. X square plus 12x2 क्या ले सकते हैं 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now x square, break the bracket, plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. From the first two terms x is common. From x square x is common, x is left. From 10x x is common, 10 is left. From the next two terms plus 2 is common, and as a whole x plus 10 is common. From the first term x, from the second plus 2 is left. So we have the factors of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. One factor of it is x plus 1, and two more factors are here, that is x plus 10 and x plus 2. All the factors of the given polynomial are x plus 1, x plus 10 and x plus 2. Okay, that's all for this video. We'll continue the same topic in our next video also. You can find some more problems in the PDF which is attached in the description box. Thank you.